Alright, you guys, I didn't make an intro. For this video, we're gonna troubleshoot the engine noise. That's our main goal. We're gonna get the car running and see what happens. And if we have any issues, we will document it along the line. So here we go. Alright, everything's back together. Minus the alternator. You guys can tell it looks just like how I had it before. So tomorrow, we'll finish this video tomorrow. We'll get the alternator on it, get the belts back on it, and test fire it. And hope we have no noises. So we have all the belts buttoned up. You guys can see the new alternator in there because the old one was arcing. And you guys can see my broken dipstick. I have one on order. You guys can also see we had our Auto EXE strut bar. The battery's tied down. Now,
oh God.
Shh. I didn't have an Allen wrench that fit these bolts, but one of my center punches worked great, so I'm going to hold on to this to be able to tighten that down. Damn, is it looking clean. Now let's hope it starts. Sorry, I'll drop my phone. Let's hope it starts without any hiccups. Well, here's how it sits. Ready to roll it out of the garage. Minus the busted windshield. Engine compartment is all buttoned up minus one wiring cover, and that should be here soon by Amazon. we get the alternator wire on. You guys can just kind of see down there, it's just nothing on the stud. We'll get it put on, we'll get that covered up, tighten that down, and we'll roll this thing out of the garage. I know, the windshield still, that's on order this week, and then we put a hood on it. The final part is in. You can see the red down there covering the alternator wire. So that's on. Battery's connected. We're going to get this thing fired up, let the engine warm up, and roll it out of the garage. Man, y'all, 6 months in the waiting. It's running. I know, the Jeep's holding it in the driveway right now because it wants to. I think we got to tighten up the alternator a little bit. Well, it rolled out of the garage under its own power, but we're having throttle cable problems. And the IAC wiring broke. You guys can see that there. And then I have an evap code that I have to troubleshoot also. So we have a new throttle cable on order. I have a spare harness, so we should be able to cut and solder that. And then I got to figure out this evap code, which I will probably, it's something in the back because we have a new solenoid and everything else is brand new. So it's either got to be a canister or a line. But at least it looks good. We are going to end this video here. I got to do the repairs, and I'll do a short video on what we troubleshoot with the evap system and go from there. So, thanks for watching, y'all. God bless.